Today's consumers demand a whole new level of cleanliness, making hygiene and safety crucial to successful business operations. CFS Brands offers innovative product solutions that keep your doors open and keep consumers walking through them. We're here to help you in your commitment to keeping customers and associates healthy and safe. Tip number 1, partner with experts. Our Dynex, Sanjamar, and Sparta brands together have been industry leaders for more than 75 years. They define what's next. And their supply chains mean in-stock product. Tip number 2, raise the bar on hygiene. From meal prep to food tray assembly to patient meal delivery, reduce the risk of cross-contamination, improve the dining experience, and prevent loss. Tip number 3, go touchless. Hands-free soap and towel dispensing reduces the spread of germs and eliminates product waste. Tip number 4, protect your team. Reduce workplace injuries and interrupted workflow with safety gear and cleaning techniques that keep employees safe. Whatever your industry, CFS Brands has the products you need to heighten your safety, sanitation, and hygiene game. CFS Brands, your partner in grind. For more information, contact your sales representative. CFS Brands, designing value, delivering success.